everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to decorate an egg. For that we just need an egg that is boiled, a boiled egg, some colorants and a zip bag. So first we introduce the egg inside the plastic bag or the zip bag and we're going to smash it just a little bit. We don't want to see the white parts, alright? We just need to break the shell a little bit, just like this. Okay, well maybe I did it too hard. I see the white part, that's not the best option, but it's alright. You need to see the egg that is all broken, all the shell is broken, okay? So, second, we're going to put some colorants inside, some drops. So I'm going to take red, for example, I'm going to open my bottle and I'm going to pour some drops on top of the egg. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more or less. And we're going to make all the drops get inside the egg, inside the shell. Okay, and then you're gonna get stained. You're gonna be stained by the egg's colorant. So we're gonna take the egg. Be careful because it stains a lot. So don't do it with beautiful clothes. Be careful, do it on a clean surface. And then we're gonna take all the shell out, okay? Okay, so the idea is that your egg looks like a dragon egg, all right, just like this. Sometimes you will see that there is a thin layer that covers the egg, and you can also take that away because it's supposed to have the drawings of the colorant still under it. So as you can see, I'm taking it out, I'm removing it, and it's still there. Also, the very cool thing that we have is the shell. Inside the shell you can see this. It looks like a dinosaur's skin, or also it looks like a dragon shell, or I don't know, something very cool. Look.